Unkosi uMzilikazi wasukela kwaZulu. Yikho uMzilikazi esuka eZululand yena evele ezalwa uZwide. uZwide nguyisemkhulu wakhe ngakonina ugogo wakhe enguntombazi.
The story of this township begins in 1945, the establishment of a new home. Named in honor of the founder of the Ndebele nation, King Mzilikazi. As the heartbeat of Makokoba grew too loud and its population too vast, the Bulawayo City Council looked towards the horizon. This wasn't just a settlement. It was an expansion of a legacy.
Hello, welcome to Makriza Mid Mpuke, Kamango Prince Valomasham. So today, Sise Mzilikazi Township, and Loputo Amlapo Ulights, so it's going to be our guide and to learn a lot about Indaole that was named after Inkosi Mzilikazi. Mfowethu, kunjani?
Otherwise,
imnandi mntana. Hey, cela uzethude bra. Uyenza ngani dume ngani?
Nibizo nguLights Okobulawayo. I'm a musician and ngihlabela hip hop le dancehall. But at the same time I'm a community developer because I have a arts for development group abantwana teenagers. Emba mobilize dance ukuthi ngikwanisa ubafundisa ama life skills. And also I'm into filmmaking and lebhora siyapathika sencedisa abafana abancane in development soccer. So eMzilikazi thina culture yethu vele is deeply rooted in soccer. There's a common joke but eMzilikazi weMakokoba ungajikiliche you are most likely my soccer player or is they're soccer player mbenisela. So I think lokhu kuinspire ukuthi ungacheck izindlu zethu eMzilikazi ngabo 2 bedrooms esikhathini esiningi. So izindlu zabo khokho lezi balutshwana abazali ngathi uthiwa umama mbe nobaba abathenga izindlu babethenga eKalis but izinto eziningi vele lapha zazi-onwa ngabo Masgriza.
Okay.
So khonokyana uyakuhlala lo Masgriza labantwana bakhe abomalume mbene ngabamncane ulale sitting room awula sikhathi sokuthi ukwanisa ukushila endlini. So the only thing was ayenza nxa uvuka ngo6 ekseni ikuphuma ethareni kunokenzakala ibhora.
So asikhayela ama soccer players avele eMzilikazi, famous soccer players. I know Johan is the Gozo brothers. Ngoba nabanye.
We have Ezro Mnyandoro. We have Utabani Moyo. We have ama twins Kelvin, Elvis. We have Ukuda Kwashe Mahachi. We have Ugifty Lunga, Ankeli. We have ama soccer players Manenga Piri, Tabani Koredema. We have Junior Makunike, Osheltoni, Elton Spanda, Maneng, current even the former players, Manenga players.
Like umuntu ongawazi eMzilikazi obiyeleyo kabisa as get like geography demarcation eMzilikazi. Yazi kulo A kulo B, could you guide us through
so
and famous spots also?
eMzilikazi ihlukaniswa ngama letters, so it's A up to Z but asila I not W, so it's A to Z, and then we have ama townships that surround Mzilikazi. We consider them part of Mzilikazi. iTongrupu, iMakokoba, iPapa Fields, eMboyentsha. Abantwana bethu so abeMakokoba abanye bazonda nxa sithi iMakokoba under Mzilikazi. Bona bathi iMzilikazi under Makokoba. But basically that's iMzilikazi. We also have ama flats, iThokozani flats, iMhlophe flats, le Sochangani.
Okay.
Yeah.
History is best told by those who walked it. One such resident, Kulungwenya, began residing here in 1949. He narrates of an era of transition, a time when the foundations of our present day were being built. In those early years, there was no grand halls of learning, a time when schooling could mostly be offered by churches. This is where the first seeds of knowledge were being planted.
Elokishini leMzilikazi ngifike khona ngo1949 ngizefunda elobhengula school isase elokishini location isabizwa kuthiwa i-United Schools Churches ngoba ama-church ahlangana ukuthi ilokhuza zabo ama-church abo kube ngama-classroom njengoba usizwa kuthiwa u-A Square yilo ilokhuza ilokishi elakhiwa kuqala kwalandela u-B Square ukwaza-ke kwafika konke kubo o-F Square yena lona duze lomzilikazi kwaze kwagcina ngo-Z Square khonapha emgwaqweni wona lo oyengubo yenja oyethawuni ogijima khona amabhasi.
Mina nginguGrace Mevana ohlala uqala wayehlala elokishini ku-5 Street kunumber 13 kuqala kwakungu-36 kwafakwa amanamba amatsha kwaba ngu-1397 duzane lezihlahleni khathesi sokungama-flats duzane la kobaba uSiphambaniso hayi bayibo abaqalisa i-Highlander Bhoso izikolo kwakusema-church kwakungela sikolo wasangena ema-church izikolo zethu i-United Schools.
So kudala lapho mama Grace Mevana lalisenza njani? Lalilezinduna, lalilabokhansila, lalilani?
Kwakungela zinduna. Thina sathi sifika lapha kwathiwa kulo baba onguye ozathi nxa kubhujiwe omama babe siyabhadala itiki. Hayi uMaseko uze ngemuva wayeyinduna yamaNyasarando. Then abantu ngokuthatheka kwezindaba eziningi abantu labo sebehamba besiya kuba uMaseko. Indaba lezo angizazi nje mina ngangimejayile kuba uMaseko ngendaba yokuthi nxa ngangisedlula khona phana ngisiya e-church athi nangoba zijika nangasiba i-timetable yakhe nxa sensiye esontweni kanti ngithanda uqwa athi nangoma zijika gquqa qwa kuphanini mabenchi wonke fakani phandle then sokusakhiwa ke ingane yentindi lapho kokutholiselwa khona amacala.
While Mzilikazi honors its elders, its pulse is driven by a vibrant youth. This is a generation that refuses to be silent or idle. Through dance, through art, and through raw creativity, they are redefining what it means to be a Mzilikazi resident. They are the living ink, writing a modern identity onto these ancient streets.
Sawubonani, mina nguMichelle ngihlala eMzilikazi ku-G.
Ngathi u-F. Sawubonani, nanguNomagugu Ncube ngihlala eMzilikazi ku-G.
Salamukela lapha eMzilikazi.
Esingakusho like umuntu ongazake ehlala eMzilikazi but ufuna ukubuza ngendawo eMzilikazi. We can say that iMzilikazi indawo echazayo. Indawo efamous egcwele ama-celebrity though bengakwazakali.
Abantwana bagcwele eMzilikazi balama-talents abanye ngabadlala ibhora futhi eMzilikazi sile youth center lapho kwenziwa khona ama-activities atshiyeneyo abanye bayagida abanye bahlabela kule gym futhi phakathi kwenziwa ama-activities atshiyeneyo.
Zikhona futhi njalo izikole ezitholakala eMzilikazi, iMzilikazi Primary, iMzilikazi High, loBhengula Primary School.
Even Sobokazi seMzilikazi.
Sobokazi la eMzilikazi. Yeah.
So then my famous sports, I know there's Mzilikazi Arts and Crafts.
Yeah.
Goma Damara, which other ones are?
Silemanuele, lapha esikhona. We have Mzilikazi Youth Center where indawo yakhuma a lot of artists aba famous ekhasi like iBongo Love. The likes of Abo Ezro Mnyandola, we bengaka switch to soca babeyisa eMzilikazi Youth Center. We have eMachipsini, renowned bus stop. Umuntu ovela that side workout vele I'm sure akula muntu ongakwazi eMachipsini. Nga ufike flyover lapha nxa usizokumukelela ama-chips. But yeah, izindawo ezi-famous eMzilikazi. Le Papa Field Stadium of course.
Okay.
But asele Wi-Fi yala chona ama-movie yenu lapha nalisacela ukusendilo.
From the quick bite of a quarter to the legendary bite Goma Damara, Food is a common language in this area, and so is their favorite brew. But there is a deeper story behind the brew. The proceeds generated from the sale of this brew built the very foundations of Makhokhova, Njube, and Luveve. Here in Mzilikazi, they helped establish Mzilikazi High School and a sports field which is now commonly known as Barberfield Stadium.
Oh, yakela bulu imanele ayibuza bani.
Uthi imanele ayibuzwa kuyo.
Ngiyahleka.
Ayibuzwa kuyo imanele.
Imanele.
Isikali
Akuseni. Yasithenga ngezuka.
5 cents.
5 cents, 95 cents. Izuka Kwabuya lethana ngane xaxa. Sathi isheleni. Sabuya thaba 2 bob. Sabuya lethe thaba isheleni. Angithi yewe sesikubonile lokho.
Abahamba lokhulu.
Hayi ngingulimi. Iyahleka. Alalela ufanaka. Ngokwani. Chayise ko grade 5 kulapho.
Emmanuel.
Sike omunye 5 izikali.
Selile 2.
Sithengisa la sebevalile phela Emmanuel. Sokubuya labana baka 1 sebefika bedobha asathi baningi abantu abenzenjalo.
Dina lithengise phandle.
Asathenga siphakathe khona emashedini. Kuyathi ngomgqibelo la ngesonto mina nathi Emmanuel ubaba ko grade 5.
For too long, the map reads this location simply as Mzilikazi, a name whose weight was grossly misapplied. This location was always intended to be King Mzilikazi Township.
Ya mina ngokuba yimi kwami abihlek loba kwazi ningakhula ngitshintshe Mzilikazi ngoba kulabantwana phandle labalama talent abadinga ubonakala kule ndawo futhi ezitshintshwe Mzilikazi abantu abangunazeleliyo like kugcwele utshani singabambana sicente senze Mzilikazi ibenhle skip stop sihamba stop amaphepha sifaka amabhimu ukuthi lapho indawo le yeke uzofaka khona izibi kungaphomba kuhamba ujikela izibi endaweni eziningi.
Mina into engifisa eMzilikazi ukuthi ngabe kuyatholakala abantu nje abantwana bengaphomba ukutshona beswela into yokwenza ukuthi ngabe kuyatholakala ukufundisana ukubana abantwana batshone befundiswa ngokuba clean ukugcina indawo yabo ibe clean eMzilikazi because kule dot somewhere it's not like you always clean but abantwana babeswela into zokwenza so singabambana singabantwana beMzilikazi sizama ukucleana indawo yethu njalo sifundisana ngezinto eziningi because abanye baswela into yokwenza begcine beseyenza into ezingela ngqondo besenza imbanje ama drugs benatha lotshwala akho right.
Ya
Yikho ngali indlela kufanele uMzilikazi likwazi ukuthi wayengubani. Yona iMzilikazi location kwakungafanelanga ukuthi kuthiwa iMzilikazi location yikuyeyisa lokho. Kufanele ibizwe kuthiwa iKing Mzilikazi location. Lelo bhengula ibizwe kuthiwa King Lobhengula location. Ukwenza ukuthi kwazakala ukuthi kungazi kwachithwa ukuqhakatheka kwabo. Imbali kayibhalwe ngobunjalo bayo. Ikhulunywe ngobuhlela ngobubi bayo. Ukwenza ukuthi be imbali eqinileyo.
Mzilikazi is more than a coordinate on a map. It is a vital organ in the body of Bulawayo's history. From 1945 to this very moment, its story continues to be written in every meal shared, every dance rehearsed, and every truth told.
So we'll come to the end of the show. Hey, Sfundi Mbali, Mzilikazi Township. Siyabonga lights.
Sikholisile namuhla nje. Lami ngifunde ezinye izinto ade ngingazazi njengomuntu ohlala eMzilikazi ya khalese ne knowledge.
So nxa ufuna ukuxhumana lawe, where can they connect with you?
Mina it's Lights Wakobulawayo on all social media platforms. Lights Wakobulawayo, phone number 0775 817 661. If you futhi music yami ayithola ku Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere. Any streaming platform uyayithola ngasearcha Lights wakobulawayo.
Super.
Khona everywhere.
Dala before singene Manuela.
Yes sir.
Shayi cream tart eyi-1.
Cream tart kumbe umkotshozo.
Umkotshozo. Umkotshozo ngale 5 rand.
Umkotshozo ayi 7 rand
litre. What can you tell someone ubukeleyo about the beauty of iMzilikazi Township? Waza ayifike ubukele uthi hayi kasi lamagazi ufika lapho.
Hayi iMzilikazi mele uchaye around ubona ama character, they are very funny people, loving people. Kule nyama emnandi komadamara, there is always social football. You can watch street soccer abantwana, kulabantwana abariyesa youth center abagidayo, kuye Emmanuel uzozinjoyela opark beer ziyawe emzethi jika, hayi emzethi ziyakhipha. Hayi emzethi ziyakhipha.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Thank you Khoza.
Catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the bontu. Unguzuza kanana zumhechu masingili. Thokoza.
Thank you.